שלום לכולם, אני מתחיל ערוץ חדש ואני הולך לשחק פרק ראשון במיינפלקס. So it's a little bit laggy. אני טיפה חדש בזה. I have a cow. יש לי פרה. So cool. Let's play some arcade. Beacon World, Death Tag, Beacon World, Dragon Escape. Not arcade. Hunger Games. Teams. Yeah. Let's play. Ooh. No, it's not Joe Bad. If you don't know, it's a really nice YouTuber with the code Maverick and the Minecraft. If you don't know, my skin is this. Like a beautiful skin. Let's play. I definitely go to the middle. Sometimes I go to the other side, but no. Okay. This was impossible, but no matter. Ooh. Cheat. Yo, I really suck at this game. Let's into another one. No, it looks like boring. So I go out and I gonna play some best builder. It's fun game. Middle. I always choose the middle key because there is always more players. I forget the name. Let's see. There is none. Now. Look how bad I am in parkour. You see this? Sometimes I am good, but sometimes not. It's so hard. God. Sex skin, boom. Ooh. So then 29 seconds is real started. 24, 23, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Booyah! Puppy. Nah, no puppy. You got to see what is the best builder here. If you don't know how to do this, you right click on a player. Right click. Someone get at me. If you want to get down from one player, so press shift. I want to play some soccer. Oh, snake? No. Let's play some soccer. If you don't know, you need to do team blue or red. I chose blue. Blue is the life, the water. Team blue. No, not here. Not here. Not here. Let's take a player. I tried to talk a player here. I have a cow on my head. And try again. Team blue. If you don't know, you can do this in this. I never tried to pick up a player, but now I know it don't work. Really? No, you don't go. Really? You can hurt no players. It's not giving life. Like that, like that. Boom, boom, kapuya. Happy doopy. I tried to get to this. If you know how to do, tell me in the comment. Oh yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh yeah. Which pro you see in other? There is no pro for me. Oh no. Master builder. You need to see what I do in Master Builder. Let's get out my cow. The sex skin. Ooh, 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 ooh. With my blue eyes. Hell yeah. So fun, Minecraft. This rim and I'm over. Good. Master Builder. The dinosaur. I don't know. This and this. All I need. grass. It's gonna look so disgusting. Suck at this. So, a tail, because everyone knows dinosaurs have a tail. If someone knows, you suck. It's gonna look so ungood. If I win, chapeau. Like I say in Israel, it's like very good. I know. No. Water splash, water brown magic. No. Oh my god. Holy shit. My eyes are really bleeding. No, really. Really, should be like that. Oh, cute. Cute. I don't know if it's very good, but it's okay for me. Only moving my eyes